Time for my annual fishing trip. I'm looking forward to a few hours of peace and quiet and stinky fish. But first, I have to pack. I have my bag right here. I will only pack the necessities. Obviously, I need a fishing rod. I also need worms. Wait, why do we need worms again? Oh yeah, worms are bait. How do they eat this stuff? Anyways, we also need our canteen and a snack. Time to go! We're here! This is going to be nice. There we go. Now I just have to wait.
1 hour later.
I think I finally caught something. Yay! I caught a fish.
Wait a minute. This episode is called Catnip. But we're a couple minutes in, and we still haven't seen any catnip. So why is this episode called Catnip? Well, you'll find out in a second.
I think it's time to go.
Back at the house.
I'm glad to be back home. You must have followed me back home. Since you don't seem to have an owner, I guess I can keep you. I will have to think up a name for you, but first, we have to get you washed up and fed. Do you like chicken? What about catnip? Wow, you ate all of it. Since you like catnip so much, I'll call you Catnip. Now we just have to wash you.